It's always a pleasure to create these wonderful content for you guys. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, remember to subscribe. And if you're a long time subscriber, remember to share the video up. The most ways how these videos are populated all over the internet is through WhatsApp and through Facebook. So please share the link up on your WhatsApp status, share the link up on Facebook. You can't say I'm a friend and you can't say you know me and you're not sharing my content. Boom.
Yeah, right now, I tell us, you know, there's a youth more gay in this house that you know, run up and down. But,
Man, it's so early, brother.
brother, woman, you have me, brother.
So I pray impress.
I'm good, you know.
You're good. Say badness, man. Tell the pan.
Yeah, man, everything normal.
Yeah.
No go, man.
No say some ackee me go get paid. Bad up some praise. I don't know I go.
Yeah, drop something in my yard, see?
Happy? My heart is happy.
Do you right thing, man. Yeah, man.
Alright, let's come on, impress. Alright.
It's a youth more. And if you make any man ever feel like he can breathe, then but we got to know.
Yeah.
You know, tell you, I know normal somebody, you know, me have eye everywhere, you know. So I feel like say I can go around the thing, I have eyes everywhere, you know. Yeah? So just do the right thing. We learn pen up later, I can remember. Wow.
So how they are now?
My mother must have it.
Your mother out?
Mm-hmm.
I really want you to see me in the cars. I want to remain that way, you know. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you right now. Let's go on. You have a key?
Yeah, I'm making.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. So you said to come home?
Yeah. You know me. Come out here quickly because I don't want to go here Pablo say behind you there.
Well, I'm sitting like here. You see me? I'm a bad man too. Don't get the thing twisted. I'm a bad man, I'm a bad man. Him have gun, but me have gun. Maybe him have gun a riot. You understand me I say? But a gun thing we are deal with. But you are going.
The man that we dash from my body.
No, me not dash your body. Me have you like that, man. Well protected, well locked. See?
Yeah, Rambo. Me get them pill from Dr. Jack, but me not pay for it yet. So I want to send the money in my account so I can pay.
Okay, I pill that.
These are some detox for my body. But they ain't good. But here what? You have some bad pill there, man. Bedroom pill.
So you say, this is my thing?
No, babes. You turn long, you know, but them the pill they make you turn longer.
The part for your body, you really can't take 5 more minutes, 1 hour? 105? Hmm?
The pill them bad, so I want you send me money and I order some.
You go on in.
I'm going to say, yo, no money for left right now, daddy. No money for left bad man. That me tell you right.
The baby them hungry.
Baby hungry. Yo, right now, money me have to give this money away. I work on a fix up the place. No money right now, bad man. My youth. Calm down your voice, man. You hear me I say? When I come back, I come back. You understand me? I said, just go and build. And is it?
So you
Right
tell
now-
me say you go spend all day, all night on the
I
road?
don't know, brother. Go and build till me forward. You see me?
Just make sure so when you come back and the food ain't at
Yeah,
this, you
man,
say
so come, man,
nothing.
I'm here. Yeah, go and build, man.
So I go on Pablo.
Bombard. Yeah, I go on it.
I'm not safe on the street, how I pray.
I like the car. I don't know a thing setting a dog. I have to keep low, you know. Keep on look out there, yeah, you know where you go.
So I go on for your Marby down your road there. The same slim as there.
Hold on, which one of them I talk?
Down I see him big house down your road there. The slim as the nice slim as the man.
Oh, oh, me and she good man. Right now I breed more and breed all she right now, you know. You see me? But she good man, I want nice little filly. She love bad man, you know where you go.
You see him slim as there. A bad girl that you know, man. You have to be careful, you know, man. Because she a Rambo, me see a par, you know.
Wait, where I say? Where I say to me?
What you mean me I say to you? Me a bridging and me a show you right way what go on. Because she a Rambo a par. Close, tight, happy. Something happy a go on, brother.
Yeah.
Believe me. I tell her that.
Dog,
You talk about love and want breed.
dog. And I rate that girl, you know. I rate her brother, make she even, yo, stop. But I say go still. Enough of them you have, you know.
Yeah, bridging, you know.
I know
Just
again,
keep
man.
up.
Everything good, man. Let's go and look out there, yeah, man.
That me I go and do. So you go
know
and
I
do the
go.
same thing. I remember me tell you about Rambo.
Yo, Spoony, come on. Yo, where brother there?
Boy, I can't do it till the Rambo there, you know.
What mean I can't tell me where I'm there?
Can't
Eh?
do the Rambo there, cause no long I see him.
Yeah, Rambo live the same place. It out the same pot. Probably all wear the same underpants. And you tell me say you don't know Rambo there.
That's style, me and Drake.
What you say a while ago? Come on. Me hear say boy Rambo there with my girl them. Here? There with one of my girl them. I'm going to tell him this. Tell him say, any day me see him, I go talk to my big belly matic. Here?
Yeah, you're on.
What I say? Me not hear you, you know.
I say anywhere I see him, should be me matic in his face.
And the next time I say, hey boy, see next time I give me a chat. I want me to put in your ear. Move fast and run from the place. Do you even want to get back this a bicycle? Look for me again. Yo, if Stephanie want to me, yo,
What is for, Pablo? What is for?
what do you mean what this for? Eh? You think me no hear say you're Rambo there? Hear where you go to?
Pop.
Look for me. Call him now. And see if nothing ever go wrong.
My face.
Skid him.
Ah.
Take out the phone and call him now. Call him. Girl, I'm saying call him. Move up, man. On here. Hurry up.
Rambo. How you feel? Walk and tell people so me and you there. Yeah, walk and tell people so me and you there.
What about man? What the foolishness, man? Look for what all them time the way you tell for your man in a serious relationship. Why make a bigger than something? What the point that man? As a matter of fact, I'm for the foolish man, because I saw something going. Yeah, boy. Huh? Let's say if I buy your man. Yeah, look at my ass.
Hey girl, lucky, you know. You see if you need ever see nothing wrong a while ago, I bust out your head out of so. Here? Make nobody come to me with none of the news here again. And sue me there. Here? See if I sit, yo. Think me name, yo. Better what's the matter of a corner. For a long time.
Me sleep. Pablo. Me sleep.
Boss it pass.
Jada,
Who that?
I mean, say that. Come in, man. Place nice, man.
Alright, may I come?
Do it faster. Place nice, man. Clean. Go upstairs one time. Up now, up, come in now. How open is that?
Pull the gate. Babysit me, babysit.
How you get pull?
Dry.
You dry gate? You make it sound like some come regular. Place nice though.
So what going?
Are you a baby?
No, babysit me, babysit.
I will come on if you keep secret from me. You ready?
What going?
Put on your baby and come on, man.
For what?
What do you mean say for what?
You can't hang it too long.
What do you mean I can't say? How you talking about?
Remember that day when I call you? If I never you, me dead.
So, everything alright now though?
The man can me go over one bush when me say wall gun on my head.
Wait.
You see, if you ever make your mouth the mistake out of your mouth and say, yeah, me and you did there, a dead body there would have come find.
So wait, this is more serious than me think. So them the bad man you want? Me a bad man what? Me do badness on the road, me no do badness for a woman.
Better we done it from you, say, yeah.
What mean done it for yourself? Like me done finito? No more?
Done, finish.
But I respect your wishes. But my number remain the same. Big up yourself.
All right.
I did that now.
Why pray now?
Yeah, I know, so then kill Pablo.
So why do that then kill him?
No, so police kill him now.
A long time Pablo for dead man. Time I get whole heap of trouble in that place and something. So long time him fi go down. I write somebody kill him too. So you not have to fret and worry.
So.
So you just go and bull out the yard them and just, cause you don't see what go on now, so you know say the place so heated.
Yeah, man.
Whole heap of heat out there in that place and now police so. But bull out the yard them and do the right thing, you know.
Yeah, man, I say
Remember say fi do the right thing. You see me? Cause you see what go on. Stay in your yard. But I follow up the road and follow up too much company.
Yeah, man.
I see them company will kill you. They come on, just go and do the right thing and bull out there. You see me?
Hello. Which part the bread them there?
You know, see them there right there, so. You want me company? Be sure?
Alright.
Okay. So what's your name, friend?
Jade.
Jade. Come and have a bread. So, when you come here?
Me alone come here.
Oh, so that means that nobody would know what we're talking about, don't? Huh?
No, sir.
Alright, so Jade, can I leave my number and you text me later?
Sure.
Okay. Can I have your phone? Babes, on your face out, so.
You know how long you have me out here setting up in a sonnet?
You know, say taxi boy them straight, that's why I'm do it so long. I'm just saying I walk, yeah man, come down here now.
Anyways, I'm glad to reach safe.
So she can give me a hug if you know say me walk so far. Cheer. I want to see you, man.
Anyways, I'm glad to you go meet mommy. Come on now.
Mommy down there?
Yeah.
Lie.
Mommy. Romeo, my mother.
How this?
My boyfriend.
Oh, nice meeting you, Romeo.
Nice to meet you, mother.
How you come from?
You know, see, Peter, see me come from.
Petersfield.
Yeah.
So, oh, me come from Petersfield and live there so long and me never see you yet. Who are your mother?
No, recently, I just moved to Peter, see me, but I sent me where I come from.
So, anyway, you working?
You know, say, me I work, but you know, to fully I get too comfortably in my pocket.
At all. You do something as a young youth, that is good. A whole heap of young youth out there, now do nothing at all. And I depend on them friend money. So when them a pass, them beg a spliff or a whistler. So, you need a drink, water, juice, anything?
So, you know, say, me did drink something before I come in.
Okay, no problem. Me just send it offer you, because I think on a Thursday you wanna come from so far.
Understand?
Alright then. So, nice meeting you again.
Nice to meet you, mom.
Alright.
B, you ready?
Yeah. Mommy, me I go put him on taxi and come back.
Alright. Anyway, Jada,
Yes, mommy?
hurry up and come. I want to talk to you.
Alright. I'm tired.
I offer you what? Go?
We were telling me about this one.
What you say your boyfriend name again? Romeo? Oh. He look like him a one nice person though. He look very nice.
Can't say that.
And he look hard working. I'm glad to see it. Hey. What are we ambitious? You take up somebody with your work. Me not even know say you have boyfriend. How long since you and this a guy had it up?
I talk about months now.
Months.
Yeah.
So I don't pinch make you carry him come fi come introduce him to me because I never see you with one man yet.
No,
Unless you dey hide under there we do much in man and me don't know. You better be careful how you do and use protection because you will get pregnant and have unwanted child.
mommy, I only man me I talk to. And I told me say, time look like you right for you know him, so I just carry him come for you. Get to know him.
Okay, well, as far as me can see, you look like a one nice person, so I work with one who get along. Any little problem you don't have, one who can talk over it. No, but with the war thing. You understand me?
Alright, me I'll go lay down.
So you don't want nothing to eat?
Alright.
Alright then.
Mommy,
Yes, Romeo.
this is my Empress Jade.
Yes.
And Jade, this is my mom.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, Jada, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So, you carry a girlfriend come show me, man.
Me just say me I can introduce him to you because we the nearby just well.
Make sure, say, no, you don't put your hand on her, you know, because you know me stay already, you know. You know, say, me no like when time man lick woman, you know. So make sure say you take good care of. She's a nice girl. So, young miss, as she name, what's she name again?
Jada.
Jada, you would like a drink?
No, thank you.
You know, some mommy, I go walk on the road because I got to eat some thing. I want
Alright then.
Mommy, how you go?
Are you me I come to? You me I come to? Where young lady there?
You know, so me just put her up on taxi, mommy.
My son, the girl. You know, some spirit never take her though.
Mm.
My spirit don't take her because that the girl there. No look like say she a one girl with calm. She look like say she a bad girl. And me no want you there with them the girl there because you are one nice boy. And me want you to get one nice woman. God so help you to get one nice woman. Because from me see her, she look like say she a hot girl, you know. You need to take your time and get out of that girl there because that girl is not for you. And not for your type that. You are going to get your type when God will. Don't worry.
So, Mama, why can sound so negative? Eh? Why you sound so negative? Because you not even know the girl and you judge a book by cover. They got yourself in a judge a book by cover.
Yes, me always see so, but me spirit not take the girl. Look here, stand up say, my son, me a talk to you. Me spirit not take the girl. And me a tell you say, girl, a hot girl.
You know what me have a girl? Look how you hot.
Nobody watch my hotness. Me no want you to talk back to the girl. She a hot girl, now watch me.
Yo, Mama, how deal it? First, me I see yo, where you come from? Where your name?
Sir, what you want?
No, cause me there only how long and me I look off the street and me never see a girl with so neat and short and just, yo, perfect like you see me? Oh, yo, I just want to get to know you, baby, man. I tell you, you're a nice girl, you know, from a seat in your eye.
You want to get to know me?
Yeah, man.
Sir, you what? To tell you the truth, I have a boyfriend. He work up at a supermarket up there, so.
Yeah, me I say, man. If anybody who work up at a supermarket, I have to know them. You see me I say? So I was showing them up there, man.
The short, look thick you to have came in.
Come on, man. My God, man.
So what you trying to say?
A healthy body, sexy girl like you there that could eat that nerd for working at a supermarket. No, sir. A bad man you need.
I did there with a bad man before, so me can tell you what it feel like there with a bad man. So guess
Judge.
what? That's why I choose a little calm, hard-working man. Me, bad man, he nearly kill me.
A bad man you need. That means say if a boy violate you anywhere in the street, make you run in on him. From you say, yo, I him. Any boy violate you, I mean you say you're going forward.
Tell you the truth. I love a bad man, them silly.
Mm-hmm.
But never think about it.
Yeah. Because hear me I say, right now, how should we go by the way? You know, so I give you, I follow you go out on the road because I don't want nobody to, you see me, pray you, so yo, forward. Yeah, I one step. Make a one, like so Zika, don't know things such a. Yo, I have to live.
Anyways, you know, say yes, I'm live though.
Wow. Yo, the place look good in the youth. So, yo, don't know any man, remember for just call me, you see me?
My mother, that's never ending.
My mother, say some figure out 1 year.
No.
Alright, I understand. I heard you. Big up yourself.
We
man.
link you. Alright.
When you call me, you see it? Boom, boom.
Hey, mommy, what going? What you want to sit down with you, do? You know, I like when you look at me, say, no.
Jada,
Yes, mommy?
and where they go with that little dirty thieving, dirty foot boy there in this community here? Eh? Where get him from?
Mommy, I don't know the man from nowhere. I roam me go look for out a supermarket and me see him and he follow me come around here. I don't know the man.
You don't know the man? Jada, me see the man and you, they walk close. So no one go let you hold hand in hand. Hands in hand. Where you know him from? What you mean? Me not understand. You see true because you always tell me lie out of this stupid brain where you have in here, so? Me don't believe you. Why not walk so close if you don't know him from nowhere? Why you walk so close with him? And then they carry me in this community. You know say, boy, look thief and dreadful. Like he no come from nowhere. No carry him back in here, so come. I don't want none of the neighbor them call no police for me, so me have a criminal in that area. They have neighborhood watch in here. You hear what me say?
Mommy, you know say no good for judge people. I follow the man, follow me come around and say, and him a chat and a go on. What kind of girl you think me is, mommy? One man at a time. Me not there with him. Nah look for there with him. He just a talk and a go on and me say, no.
You say you don't know him from nowhere. You just a walk and him walk beside you and come down. Anyway, I understand. I will take the benefit of the doubt, but me just a tell you something about bad man, real man, difficult man, and good man, because I've been there. You understand? Me been through good man and bad man. Me have experience. You understand? In a them kind of world there. And me will tell you something, you're very young. I don't know feel so don't understand life. But you're not ready for your video like it. You see bad man? Don't even dream or think say out there with one of them. You hear me? Because it's the worst thing ever you could have in your mind say go do. They with a bad man.
Mommy, I'm not there with no bad man. My mama there with Romeo.
Because just the looks. You understand? And this little thief when me see walk in that area. Just look on him alone. Turn me off and change my mind. Me no want them the kind of nasty people they fit be my son-in-law. You understand? So me understand what you say. Me not run it down. You say and him no nothing. Fine, that's okay. You hear? But all me know.
Hey.
Be careful of what you do. Anyway, you can go on inside and go sweep out the place. Look if there's any dirty plate in the sink and wash them up.
Alright.
Something in the fridge where you can eat. It's a cake in there at Christmas. One big cake me buy. You alone can't eat it off. Give some of your friend them some. And some of my juice. Sorry long cake inside. Go enjoy yourself.
Body neat and everything well frisky too, you know.
That take you.
Love for you. As me I say, baby, take care of yourself, man. Take care of you. The thing is.
Oh, goodness, so. Oh, me I call your phone and me not get her.
How old is you?
Romy, let me be honest and straight up.
That more want from you?
Make it done, yeah, so. We finish relationship over a bad man no one and a bad man me there. Yeah, supermarket money can't mind me, Romy.
You're billion for billion, dog. Just go on and allow the woman say she don't want you, bad man.
It's over.
Me not talk to you, big man. I'm a woman me a talk to.
Me not, boy, yo. Yeah, yo, mind what you're doing, bad man. Woman say she don't want you, bad man, more you lower her and go on where you're going to you.
And them life, them life you want, not you? Hurry yourself, man.
Go on, man.
And them lifestyle you want to live. Alright, now say nothing.
Yeah, man, I tell you, say, boy, a torment, you know, man. After we get rich and have big things are going to be, you know, boy, going like saying, no understanding yourself, you know, dog.
Some people.
Jada.
Yes, mommy?
A long time me not see Romeo. I went there in Ghana foreign.
Why, mommy? Him a work, you know. Work. Have him a way tired, him busy. Have no time for me.
So you not call you no one all?
Yeah, man, in talk.
Okay. I understand. Oh, me sorry for hearing say so much work them a give. I hope them a pay him good. Because you see them kind of people, yeah, they slave you out and you don't get nothing for on top of your labor. Whatever they give, God bless you. If you don't know how to spend it, you not even know when it's done. And when it's done before they give you. Anyway, I have a whole heap of something to sort out in the town. So, one thing of the place till I come back. Later. Yeah, man, later. A long time me no see you.
You know, so me daughter not there again. Cause she said she want a bad man in her life. So she left me because I want to look a dirty corner footboy. But no response. I want going on, I want come back.
Really?
Yeah.
You and Jada left?
Yeah, man.
For how long that?
Couple weeks ago.
So me no think you and Jada still in a business.
They in a business with the war. All the thing more in a business with are some money in her pocket. Jada is a low self-esteem girl. Big one thing. Hey daughter, but me I tell you this real.
You and Jada just left stuff in no reason at all. No have.
Me and she left for a good reason, you know. Because she want to go live a dirty kind of lifestyle. So, you know, give her, make she take her medication. You see it? Cause what the builder does, build house. And what I do, I make money.
Me I go buy something in the supermarket and me have a lot of things to do on the road. Me I go run back to her, go talk to her. Me see you. Yes, sit down. Me not understand you.
What happened now?
Me did ask about Romeo.
Yeah, did I ask me about him?
And what you tell me about Romeo?
Him a working tired, didn't have no time.
And him still in a business.
Yes, mommy.
Jada, what make you so lie?
Lie with one, mommy.
Jada, what make you wicked and lie so? Jada, you don't know me I talk to you about?
No, mommy.
You don't have no idea what you do.
No.
Jada, everything what you tell me out of your stupid mouth with your lying tongue is a lie. Everything what you tell me is a lie. Jada, when me attack, when me ask a question, you answer. You see from me attack? No say nothing until me stop talk. Because you're going like you want to confuse me. Show me all of you young, you take me for idiot. Jada, what make you tell me lie? Jada, me your mother, you know?
Honestly, I'm tired of Romeo. Romeo too soft, mommy. Can't live with Romeo. After Romeo can't back me if nobody attack me. So me find one little bad man and him me a work him me a there with. Romeo too soft, man. Me can't bother with the soft business. He too soft and coward. A bad man me want and a bad man me love.
Jada, Jesus Christ, what make you stay so little girl? If I did know, say I did me kind of pick me and me like a compound wall for 9 months and come put themselves in a problem. Look how go make bad man come kill me off. I would have dash. You know what? Don't make us say I don't want to say little girl. Jada, you how much you roll? You're not a child anymore, me understand. But how the hell you gonna take up bad man? Bad man will kill you. Cause you look like you know like stay with one man. So that the bad man that we are going to, if he not no money and he money done, you go to one different bad man. So you set up 2 men together with their life. You see, since as a bad man you want, me no want no bad man at me gate and me no want no bad man in my house. You go have to leave and go on to your bad man.
Mommy, I tell you again. Bad man me love and a bad man me want. He can protect me, you can protect me.
Jada, you see what you do? It wrong. You need to stop it. You need to stop it. Can you imagine? Miss your care man come introduce them to me. And the boy looks, you know how the boy look? Like a so nice, intelligent youth. And he love work. It no matter how small it be, the two of you could have work together and build on yourself. And have a plan for the future. Jada, why you leave? The people, them good boy pick me and gonna take up bad man. Hey, let me tell you something, little girl. It's like what bad man you love. Hmm? You need to pack up your things them and come out of my place and go on to your bad man. Because I don't want no bad man at my gate and I don't want no bad man in my house. Bad man you want, bad man you get. You damn fool. Take yourself out of my place.
Can't bother you know. But they can tell me how to run my life and how to do. Romeo soft, no want a soft man. Soft and coward and pecky.
You know, so me have something to say to you, but I don't know how to start it off.
So what you have to say to me, man?
Are the girl Jade, man, who you talk to me about, mommy?
So I'm Tia and Jade now, no alright?
I wish you for the good, you know. Right now, me just stress out. He left me for a scam and you out.
Me did talk to you, no. Me did talk to you about a girl, eh. Me talk to you about her. For me see the girl, eh, me spirit never take her. In just lose a good man. But no worry about it. Nobody put it on your head and stress out yourself. You hear me say though, don't stress out yourself and put it on your head. And you want a nice woman, cause you want a nice little youth, you know. So don't worry yourself. God soon send you a nice woman for you. Don't worry.
In real life, boy, you understand what you're saying, but she don't hurt you. So me not even have to go pay her no man. Cause other day, he want see me and rush me, you know. Like
Yeah.
he want to come diss me. But you me know how my background stay. Me just keep it quiet. Like say everything moves.
Alright then. So no worry yourself. Don't worry yourself and nobody go kill nobody, you know. Nobody go kill a girl or kill a man, you know. You hear me I say?
You not for yourself. You can count for me. Understand? Because your son not do nobody.
Me proud of you, my son, and you soon find one nice young lady. And you want a nice young man, don't worry yourself. You will take taxi.
Alright, come on, man.
Chopper. How this year? How this? Couldn't you me and you got through? It open them, I don't even know sometimes you have to bear it with them hungry.
Yo, you hear me? How you come? How you show me? Eh? Yo, you hear me? Me don't want to see that right now, you know, brother.
Them girl know when me a bear hungry with you. Them know when we can't find not even a slice of bread.
Yo, how you get my password, by the way?
And so first
Yo,
you give me
give me
to
my
me,
phone, man.
yes.
Yo, right now, two man, yo, man, slap in your face, and two of them mother all want me and tell me for love you. Yo, go on in, bad man. Yo, go on in, man. Watch it from me, someone. Yo, go on in, man. Bad man, I can search, man, for that talking about baby.
Papa, come here. Come here, Papa. Oh. Bring your sister inside here. We soon come back, alright? Come, Mama. Come, go inside with your brother. Come. Mama soon come here. You find your sister now? Go on straight in with her.
Hello. Me outside with the gas now. Yeah.
Good day, sir.
Good day.
You know a girl will live over your son named Jade?
Yeah. She me a wait pan.
Okay, sir. Alright. Son hot.
Thanks. Tomorrow me pay, yeah?
Excuse me.
How can I help you?
You know Chopper?
I'm a man.
What you say?
My man.
You a joke.
So, what this all about?
Home wrecker. Home destroyer. You can't look at my baby father and say you're man.
Hold up. What you say? Baby father? Me no know if Chopper have no youth and no woman. And me I'm woman. So what you talk about baby father?
Let me explain to you. Me have a 4-year-old and a 7-year-old for him. A girl and a boy. And me see a text in him phone, boy, you want money and you want this and you want that. Listen to me. You see anything Chopper have, I feel mine to you them. Someone you back off and maybe before they hear me, I want you.
Hey girl, move from my yard gate, yeah? You come here with a classy self.
What you say? Hey, girl, move from your yard. Yeah. Yeah. Me tell you this, me catch against me man again and I like it. And my baby father that. Me have 2 youth and me have to mind them.
Then let me go.
That me I tell you, yeah. See you with me man again, girl. Touch me baby father.
Yo, mama, what going?
So where you there right now? More I talk to you. Come down to my yard now.
Alright. You are going. So calling you, see? Yeah, I'm so far. Alright, bless.
Me I wait. Alright.
Yo, baby, you know somebody right outside. You forward? Alright. There, man. See how I going? You good? Yeah,
No can ask me if me good.
Oh.
Imagine, I ask you if you have a woman and you tell me say you don't have a woman. No, you lie, so Chopper.
Me not no woman.
Chopper, stop tell lie, man. You tell up right in front of me, I tell lie.
Me not no woman. Who tell you say me have woman? Who tell you that?
Chopper. Boy, yo, boy, Chopper, you know say your baby mother. Come here, come fight me off.
My baby mother? I can't believe this how you said to me. Really?
But you never have no woman. Chopper, you lie, so. Imagine you make me left me man, me hard working man, you make me this man for you, Chopper. Cause me I see a bad man, me love Chopper, and this you can do me, Chopper. Me tell him, man, the man there me not get no bun.
But your man can't see good figure in a bun.
Chopper, me never know. You make call me mother, cuss me over this, Chopper. You make me left me good man, Chopper.
Yo, I can't believe say this happened, yo. I can't believe, yo, just God. So baby, yo,
Don't touch me, no.
I say,
It done, you hear? It over between me and you. Imagine me tell you say I want a bad man and me never know say me take up a girl man. Yeah,
Yo,
you
I'm
tell
telling
me saying I'm no pitney.
yo, me decided me.
Dirty boy! Are you tell my daughter say you're a bad man? Move from me gate. If you ever put your hand on my daughter, you will see which God you deserve. Are you, my daughter, they chat about a bad man? I will lick out the badness out of you. Turn up down this till me come. Wendy,
Think.
come in here for to me. Come in. Me not even lucky girl. Listen to me, little girl. You see you no listen? Eh? You have your 2 big old ears them when God give you and you don't hear when time parents talk to you, no? Eh? Look on the nice little young hard working youth you care come here. Boy look so nice and decent and cute and handsome on top of that gorgeous boy. His mother must proud of him when he look good. Only no know good nice. Hey, you know say girl, you know say I go run you out of my place. Eh? Look on the good people them pick me. You take care of you. When we work and give you every dollar. Eh? You're gonna take up bad man.
Me that happen, you know.
Hot you. What you tell me say the other day say you want? Chopper. You want chopper you get. Yes. You know what you should have do? That boy should have give you a chop. He should have chop you in your look here. You're too out of order. Eh? So you take all of the boy where you can come about in your room your money. Use him and go take up chopper. All you? You don't know good man. Jada, you don't know good man. Look how much sitting and going in Jamaica. Your head hurt you. You don't know manners. You come like you want me to send you back through the gate. You're little out of order. Come up here, so. You're too bright. Come. You go up here, so because the neighbor them are listening. You're not too bright, man. Go in. You don't listen to people.
Yo, Dimples. Yo, come on. Yo, Dimples. Yo, you know, say I chew me no want lick you in front of pit them youth. Yo, you get man mad in the youth. You really left your so and go around there. Go cuss the woman and fight her if I not talk about Ray and me and her there, brother. Yo, man, I rate you in the youth. Yo, what kind of thing that you do, Dimple? Dimple, yo, I chew me, yo, me no want hurt you in front of pit them, you know. That's why man I'll come out and, yo, mind what you doing in the youth. I don't know who you girl and a woman, you go cuss off a woman and fight a woman for, yo.
So Chopper, you tell me say the girl have more rights over me? That you tell me?
Yo, right now, yo, go on the talk your talk, man. Just go and talk with your talk, man. You see?
Tell her, you know, me invest in you if you lose you to another girl, you know. And that me I tell you.
Yo, me now take care of you and take care of pitney them one more you want.
So you alone do it?
What you mean?
Look how long you baby born. 4 years now. 4 years. I mean, I know how your underpants look no more.
You're lucky. Me give you everything.
Icky. Icky without nothing. Icky without sticky. What kind
Dimples.
of style that?
Dimples, me give you everything. What more you want from me? Look how much thing me I do. Me I walk and I help you and pitney them. And you torment me about woman and Rary and go around there war woman.
Me not supposed to share with nobody. You're mine, baby father. You're mine, baby father.
That's how you feel bill. That, me I tell you. Me I go lay down some ground rules right now. See? You sometimes see my phone you out, me don't want you touch my phone. Me don't want you search my phone. You think me a wear pants in a relationship just because I style thing you out? And me are the man in the relationship. Someone you understand that. Me not even know when you left and left you pitting them alone in the house and the thing could happen. Yo, you see yo, I better you go on in, you know, yo. Just go on in, go do your thing. You understand me? I say, and make sure you not touch my phone. I mean, you do them thing there again.
You know, if you deal with me, son, you know, if you deal with me, you know what? The only reason me not left you, me don't want another man raise my kid them. And that me I tell you.
Really? Yo, you hear me?
Yeah.
Yo, you hear me? Go on in, man. 'Cause I don't want to hurt you, you know, yo. Remember me tell you, you know.
Rummy.
Yeah. What's here?
Beg a minute now, I can't
Beg a minute. We don't give you that idea. And you mess up it. We want me give you a minute again for?
I want to talk to you.
Talk to me about what?
I know I messed up, but I'm sorry for what I did. Forgive me, please.
Anything was gone, me don't want it again. You understand?
Like, seriously?
Yeah. You better tell us anything with your throat to do, you can't go feet back.
No, I messed up, but I just ask you for forgiveness. You know, the situation can't go back normal. You know, any woman will get you, but know them are going to pick up on good, hard-working man.
You see that too late. You should have seen that from the start to the finish. No bad man you see you want, go to your bad man them. The man should have just flash you out like right mango. Me not see enough move on here, but the move on to no bad man. You see me? And that's it there.
Alright.
Yeah. Have a nice day.
Alright.
Yeah.
you don't know, it is the last movie for the year of 2022. And we want to say it has been a pleasure creating all these wonderful content for you guys throughout the year. It is now the end of the year, and thanks to you, our subscribers who support what we do, who share the content up, who tell a friend to tell a friend, who reach out to us and send a donation. Thank you very much. I am not one of those persons who love to mention names, but I would just make a broad thank you to everybody that has been supporting what we've been doing. Hopefully this new coming year we have some wonderful things in store that we want to get done, but we're not going to talk about it too much. We just wait until things unfold. There has been a lot of things that has happened in terms of good, bad, a whole lot of things, but nonetheless we have health and strength, so I want to give thanks for that. I want to continue to create these wonderful content for you guys. All right, you've been watching the movie and you've been seeing us publicizing this brand. It is a company that provide detox pill, and also pill that, if you're in the bedroom and you're not wonderful, you're not moving 100%. Yeah, man, you take one of them pill and you're ready to go. You see me? And it's the health risk of it. There is none, because you don't know, everything is herbal based. So you know, say a 100% natural. So big up to everybody that been supporting us. Big up to the bully team. Big up to Dr. Jack, Bedroom Tonic. You don't know. Big up to every single person. And if I have never called you, if I have not called your name, please forgive me. This is just a natural video where me just a vibe and I telling you thanks. Big up to everybody, and see you guys in the new coming year. Boom!